Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
I know we have not been talking.
Yeah, you've been the busy one.
I know, right? I've heard.
What's up with the deal you spoke about?
Well, I am still in talks with the ministers. It's too early to tell.
Right.
I'll let you know. And you remember what the president said. What do you think about reparations?
Look, Africans will never get reparations. It's just a big game, just to enrich the lawyers. Oh, we can't let that happen. Look, our forefathers were slaughtered, all for our absolute freedom. We can't give out our birthright for a figure? No!
It's a Valido, brother.